Good morning to all. Myself Dr. Premila Kolor. In the previous session, we are learn about the how to solve the examples using Gauss elimination method. Here are the another example we are going to solve by using the Gauss elimination method. So example 3, solve by Gauss elimination method. X1 minus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 6. 2x1 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 5. 2x1 minus 2x2 plus x4 is equal to 4. x1 plus x3 minus x4 is equal to 3. Solution. The augmented matrix is here. In the previous examples, what you are done, just we are given the example, we have to write it in the augmented form. Here also we are written all the given equations in the form of augmented matrix. In the previous exams we have taken x, y, z. Here we are considering the terms as x1, x2, x3 and x4. Write down the x1, x2, x3, x4 coefficients in the augmented matrix corresponding to the b as a constant terms, which is a augmented b is equal to 1, minus 1, 1, 6, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 3. Now, let us go to the row operations. Now, we have to eliminate the term as 2, 2, 2 and these two term becomes 0. How we are become 0? We have to using the row operation, which is R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. Similarly, in the third row, R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. So after operating the row operation in the augmented matrix, this one we will get as 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 6 as it is. Now we are operating the R2 row. So that the R2 becomes 0, 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 7. And the third row also we are operating row operation in the third row. After operating the third row, it becomes 0, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 8. Keep the fourth row as it is 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 3. Now go to the, again we are operating the fourth row, which is the R4 implies R4 minus 1 by 2 R2. Now we are operating the fourth row, which is the, after operating the row operation for fourth row, what we get here? We are getting the term as, keep all the term as it is, just we are operating only fourth row, so that it becomes 0, 0, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 13 by 2. Because we have to make this term as the upper triangular matrix, so that we have to make these three terms become 0. For that we are making the 1 becomes 0, and after operating R4 minus 1 by 2 R2, we are getting the 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 13 by 2. Now again one term by term we have to eliminating the term this term as 0. Now in the fourth row, what we are doing? Again we make 5 by 2 becomes 0. How to make a 0? Now we are using the R4 implies R4 minus 5 by 2 divided by minus 2 R3. That is, it is nothing but R4 implies R4 plus 5 by 4 R3. Means you have to either, it is a 5 by 2 plus 5 by 4 into R3. What is R3 here? Minus 2. So it becomes, if you are operating the R4 implies R4 plus 5 by 4 into R3, what we get? We are getting the term which is 0, 0, 0, minus 3 by 4, minus 7 by 2. See here we are getting, this is the upper triangular matrix. We are getting the upper triangular matrix. All the terms, this becomes 0. This becomes as a only x4 term, and this is a constant term. Clearly A is a triangular form. Now you have to reconstruct the system of equation. What is the after reconstructing the system of equation? First one is x1 minus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 6. Second one is 2x2 become x1 becomes 0. 2x2 minus 3x3 minus 3x4 is equal to minus 7, which is called equation 2. And third equation, minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to minus 8. And fourth equation becomes minus 3 by 4 x4 is equal to minus 7 by 2, which implies x4 is equal to 14 by 3. Using 4, here we are getting x4 value. What you have to find out? x3. How we are getting the x3 value? You have to substitute in the equation 3. Here after substituting in the equation 3, we are getting x3 value as 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Now using x4 and x3 in equation 2, what we get? We are getting the value as x2 value. After substituting the x3 and x4 value in above equation, we are getting the x2 is equal to 6. Then you have to substitute x2, x3, x1 value in the equation 1. Then we get as x1 is equal to 17 by 3. Hence x1 is equal to 17 by 3, x2 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 6, x3 is equal to 5 by 3, x4 is equal to 14 by 3, which is the required solution. Thank you.